Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll install this wheel spacers for this Tesla Model Y. So is it safe to run these wheel spacers?
If they are high-quality wheel spacers and you are not driving at excessively high speeds, then they are fine. And as always, it also greatly helps if you have hub-centric wheel spacers. Hub-centric wheel spacer can help eliminate the high-speed vibration by filling the gap between the aftermarket wheel and the axle hub. By custom data, hub-centric wheel spacer make it possible to install aftermarket wheels with different enter diameters.
Compared with others, the multi-stage hub-centric design makes the installation more fitting and safer. These wheel spacers also fit the Tesla Model 3 performance version. BONOSS has designed all the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers. Please feel free to buy it. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.